Don't swipe away. This is going to be a really quick video. I'm going to give you 5 ideas that you can use to get your dad something for Father's Day. These are all available on Amazon. I'm going to leave links to them down in the description. Let's dive right in. Number 1 is a stud finder. Of course, you know, it's Father's Day. Every dad's going to say, oh, beep, it found one, I'm a stud. But seriously, these things are perfect. If you do any work inside a house, if you've got drywall, whether you've got metal studs, wood studs, or even if you're putting screws in the wall, you want to make sure there's no electrical lines or water lines behind where you're putting the screws. A stud finder is the perfect tool for that. They're very inexpensive. You've probably seen this on some of my projects recently, hanging up shelves or hanging up a pot holder on the wall. This one I got from Amazon. It's been great. It does a very good job. It shows you where the center of the stud is every single time. I never have to doubt it when I'm using this. Go check it out. Number 2, it's this plastic welder kit. I did a video about this a while back, fixing the exhaust on my lawnmower. This thing welds plastic back together. It inserts little metal staples. This kit has a lot of staples, has the welder, has additional plastic you can melt, different colors, sizes, so you can clean it up and make it look good. This is a very awesome tool. Can be used for many years. Again, link in the description. Go check it out. The third thing is a meter. And this is a multimeter. This is a Fluke brand. I've used Fluke brand tools for so many years. I just couldn't bear to buy something else. When I needed a new meter, I went ahead and bought a Fluke. I'll put a link in the description. This is a great one. It's the Fluke 101. I used it when we were running power out here to check connectivity between the wires to make sure nothing was shorted out. I checked, made sure I had the proper voltage coming across on my 220 connections. I've used this when I was fixing stuff in the Jeep numerous times when I was working on wiring issues. Just every bit of troubleshooting. These things are perfect. Check batteries, check fuses. It's a very easy to use tool. This one is very simple. I mean, believe me, they make super complex ones that have all kind of features. All I wanted was just basic functionality, so that's why I got this one. Go check it out. I'm sure any dad will be proud to have it. And the next item is a square set. The whole idea here is it holds wood together so you can screw it and be perfectly square. You would have seen me use this when I built the PVC instrument when I was building the frame. I had all 4 of these going and had them getting the frame squared up so I could screw it together perfectly. It works great. This is a simple little kit. Comes with a great box to store it in. I don't even take it out of the box except when I'm using it. It just stays in the box. And go check it out. I'm sure your dad would love it. And the next item is this caliper. A digital caliper is so easy to use to get you really exact measurements. Just this past weekend, I was making some 3D models to hold sockets in my new tool chest. I needed to know the diameter of the socket, so I just pulled out the caliper. This is 12.96 millimeters or 0.5105 inches or 65th 1/28 inch if you want to go fractional. But it'll give you all those options quickly and easily. If you wanted to look at the inside of the caliper, the inside, you could do that too. It's 23/64 or 9.06 millimeters. Again, calipers are great. This exact model is a little bit older. They don't have that on Amazon, but I'll send you a link to the same exact model or same exact brand. It is iGaging brand. This thing has been great. It's not very expensive. I think your dad would love it. Go check it out. Was that quick enough for you? That's our 5 tool suggestions for Father's Day. I'm sure any dad would love to have any of these. Go check them out. There's links in the description. You can order them on Amazon, have them sent directly to him if you're not in the same location as him, or have it sent to you and give it to him on Father's Day. Thanks for watching, guys. You'll have a great day.